So welcome back guys, this is Alan back to start with this C++ tutorial. As last time I told that we are going to deal with areas of different shape this time. So let's get started. Now let's look at the variables. It will be float. Let's say if you want to calculate the area of a circle. So for area of a circle you need something called pi. So you know the value of pi is 3.14. We have to assign the value for pi, and yeah, let's see if we need any other thing. They be r. Okay, now let's take C out, enter the radius. So let's take the value radius, that's r. Now what's the formula? Oh, so for the area, type area. Now area is equal to pi. It's the formula is actually pi r square. So let's type pi into r into r. So now C out area. Now this should work. 1 minute. See, yes, enter the radius, will be 10 3 1 4. Yeah, it is correct. That is 10 into 10 100 into 3.14 is equal to 314. Yes, that's how you do it. Now let's include a new thing, that is include math.h. So why are we typing this math.h? Wait, this time I'm going to show an example how to calculate the area of a triangle. See, so for that let's take this pi, maybe a b c, bc and side. This will be perfect. And this is starter, the first side. Let's take this, it will be a. I'm gonna just copy it there like that, and just change it. B will be B, second side, sorry, colon, and B3 and C. Now so what next? And next thing is the S. There's a formula especially for this triangle. Just remember this if you need. B plus C divided by 2 is the formula for S. And for the area of triangle, for this we need to use a root, that's a square root. That's the reason we have got this math.h. If we need to use the square root, we need that library like sqrt, square and square root of s into s minus a multiplied by sorry, 1 minute. Yeah, ready. Multiplied by, wait, minus b and s minus c. Yes, that's right. And yeah, that is the formula. And area equal to area. Fine, now it should work. Yes, no errors. Side 1, let's give 2, sim 2 and 2. It's an equal triangle. Area is 1.73205. That is correct. If you don't trust me, you can just calculate it. Yep, that's the right answer. So that's how you calculate areas. This is the similar way for squares and rectangles. So let's meet next tutorial. Stay tuned. Bye guys.